Hey there, this is Jeff with Whirlwind Family Farm and welcome to our channel. I'm Jeff and we're here in the beautiful Texas Hill Country, and the opening scene that you saw was Whirlwind Family Farm. But to be more specific, it is a market garden. My wife and I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears to put that little market garden together, as well as our savings. So it means a lot to us. A lot of research, a lot of time, a lot of effort to get things set up the way it should be. It's certainly not perfect, and we don't always have the perfect harvest each week. But we do know how to lay it out and put it away to try to get the very best product, either for our customers or for our family. And that's what we want to pass along to you, is content that's helpful but simple. There's a lot of channels you can go to get into the microbiology of things, but sometimes you don't have time for that. So our long videos, we'll try to keep them under 5 minutes max. When it's talking about trellising, putting down carrots, growing tomatoes, we'll try to make it simple for you. The right amount of water, the right amount of sun, and the right amount of compost. Sometimes it's not much more complicated than that. And here at Whirlwind Family Farm, that's what we're here for. If you have a simple backyard garden where you're raising very nutritious vegetables for your family, or you're in an apartment in New York City where you have a balcony and a few containers and you just want to grow a few vegetables like tomatoes or carrots or onions in a container, you can do that for yourself or for your family. And we can give you some of that knowledge here. So thanks for tuning in. We know you're going to enjoy it. We'll have great scenery, wildlife that you can look at on our videos. And not only that, it's just a great place to be here in the Texas Hill Country. And I'm a native Texan, so I've seen a lot of the different changes that have happened in this area, as well as the weather that we deal with each week. Thanks. We hope you'll like, subscribe, and certainly hit that bell for notification, because around each Wednesday or Thursday, we'll drop those long videos. And of course, we'll keep you up to date with shorts throughout the week. Thanks from Whirlwind Family Farm. Hope you enjoy our content. Talk to you soon.